Discover the beauty of watercolor with our exclusive 30-brush collection for Procreate. This set brings the vivid elegance of watercolor to your digital canvas, featuring 6 precision thin liners for detailed work and medium brushes, perfect for creating base elements. To make transitions seamless, we've included 2 special blending brushes. Explore expansive backgrounds with brushes that replicate large squirrel rounds, adding depth and richness to your artwork. And for a touch of expression, our unique sponge and splatter brushes make it easy, even for beginners, to add texture and movement without hassle. Complete your pieces with 6 different paper textures, including cold-pressed and hot-pressed options, to give your art an authentic finish. With this versatile and user-friendly set, watercolor artistry becomes more enjoyable and accessible than ever. Dive into the joy of watercolor wherever you are.